All right, we all know how boring day trading can actually be because, we have to sit on our hands and be able to study the markets for one. That means being able to analyze from top down, using higher base charts to lower base charts to figure out the direction, but also find the best opportunities in which we can enter the market. So, with optimal trading entries, I'm going to show you a specific strategy. And, it's a way to be able to, say, for example, use Fibonacci's in a sense in which you can look on the charts to be able to determine if you are a certain style trader like myself, supply and demand. But I'm able to basically gauge these swings to be able to see, okay, is price hitting back at the 61.8 or maybe the 76.4? Areas, on pullbacks to which I can engage and look for opportunities to enter the market. Again, the optimal trading entry points within the market we are looking for are some of the more accurate areas within the market based on institutional order flow. That's meaning what are the banks trying to do in regards to movement, in regards to direction, in regards to structure of the market. Okay, I'm going to show you a way in which you can actually make, say, for example, $5,000 side money every single month trading the actual futures markets. Okay, now there are a variety of different asset classes when it comes to trading futures. You have, the interest rates like the financials, like bonds. You have, the equity stock indices, like which are a derivative of the major stock markets. Like the NASDAQ futures, the E-mini S&P 500. You have the foreign exchange currency futures, which are going to be like your currency markets, commodities. The list goes on. But when it comes to looking for opportunities within the market, this is where we really want to dial into and understand the term OTE, or which again is considered to be optimal trade entry points, or areas in where we can find high probability interest to take trade opportunities. All right. So here's a chart of GC, which is the gold future market. And this particular market trades at $10 an actual tick. And you don't really need much to actually, make, say, some side hustle money of making $5,000 extra every single month. Just think about it, if you trade like one or two contracts, and looking for maybe 5 or 6 point movements within gold, and you don't need to enter into a lot of trades as a high frequency trader. I talk about taking one or two trade setups a day, because you have to understand this: the less amount of time, meaning not engaging as spend a lot of time in the markets, that you actually focus in on, you're going to find that your consistency and profitability, will go up, meaning the amount of money that you can make, just limiting the time of engagement within the market. So I always like to use, say, for example, when it comes to gold futures, like a GC, on the GC chart, a 60 range chart. I don't trade time-based charts. I talked about this a million times over, guys, so please watch the videos. But what I'm looking for are movements to determine, okay, how is the market moving? Is it moving based on bias, or just basically looking at the charts trending in the up or down direction? We had been selling off pretty heavy across, the indices, which is the equity indice markets, with futures, the commodity markets, especially, in specific, like gold, pushing to the downside here. Well, prior to that, we had been moving massively to the downside. I'm look at a higher base chart right quick, and I'll show you. Kind of squeeze this together here. Give me 1 second. All right, bring this together, and let's go back a little further. We can see, here we go, massive movement to the downside, and then we get basically a correction where it starts pulling back to the upside here, and then we get this dip coming back lower, which is around the beginning part of April. So the markets have been very bearish, then pushing to the upside, which is great. We want to see that movement to where, especially if you're a long-term, say, investment holder, where the market is pushing to the upside. But let's go back to the 60 range chart, because we want to be able to determine, entry points within the market based around these optimal swings, or looking at where the market is, making this movement or breaking structure in one particular direction, meaning finding the trend and being able to determine these optimal trade entry points within the market. Now, if you can see here, we had on April the 2nd, we had this bullish run to the upside. This is where the market was reversing and pushing higher. Okay. And I talk about reversals, what to look for from a downshift movement in the market to an upshift movement in the market. This is where the market was breaking structure, and we had that reversal. Then I believe on What's today? Today's actually Saturday. So on Thursday's trading, because the market was closed yesterday, the market pushed down to the downside here. So we got a push lower where the market then started breaking structure, meaning making lower lows and lower highs, but it was breaking below like this low here, this low here, this low here. So we were making movements to the downside. Now, when it comes to high probability trading of supply and demand, we want to be able to determine optimal points within the market to take these entries, okay? So we're looking for pullbacks to either key areas of supply or key areas of demand. Now, I don't personally trade Fibonacci's, but I'm looking for those midpoint areas on these swings where the market is either pushing to the downside or upside, back to the swing area, especially back to either that supply or demand area, to look for those optimal trade entry points where it's pulling back to either the 61.8, the 76.4 area, somewhere in that range there, to be able to trade in the continuation direction of how the market is trending. So if the market is now reversing or pretty much pushing to the downside and breaking structure, I'm looking for areas on pullbacks to say, for example, this was a valid high probability area of supply. This was another supply area right here. I'm looking for those key opportunities on pullbacks to where, say, for example, if I use the Fibonacci retracement just as an extra tool to be able to gauge, where I can look for opportunity to take a trade from back at these high probability zones. Now, I'm also using confluences as well because I start with a higher base chart to look and focus on the direction of the market. So I see this bearish movement to the downside. Then I'll mark up my higher base, say supply or demand zones, this one here being supply, both of them actually, and then just move down to a lower base chart as the market is pulling back or retracing to these zones to look for trades going into the same direction on a lower base chart. Okay, so if you want to understand more about the full-on strategy, the blueprint, the cornerstone of how I personally trade, you may want to think about becoming either an elite or an ultra elite supporter or member of the channel. Very inexpensive, guys. I don't have a mentorship program or course to sell, but by becoming an elite or an ultra elite supporter, which is basically through the YouTube membership program here, to where, say, for example, myself as being a content creator, I'm providing you relative and very valuable content that can actually help you in your own personal trading, all surrounding the personal technique or strategy, how I personally trade. It's highly profitable. Lots of people who are part of this channel, not only this channel, but as the part of the Discord here on the channel, are finding their ways of becoming profitable, and not just doing that. A lot of them trade prop firms and passing evaluations and becoming funded from a prop firm standpoint using the same strategy. Okay, on the Discord channel, there is a server. There's a channel there titled the Testimonials. You can go there. You can see how people are using the same exact strategy and finding opportunity to become profitable in their own personal trading using the same exact strategy. You can become and understand and basically educate yourself on how to use this strategy by becoming an elite or an ultra elite supporter. Very inexpensive for only $6.99 a month. Okay, that's like 24 cents on the day. There is a link down in the description portion of the video titled Elite and Ultra Elite Supporter if you choose to want to become. Guys, I don't know how to share. I'll let you know how inexpensive this really is in comparison to anything else you're going to find out there. But you have to back test and forward test the strategy to see if it's going to work for you. Now, again, like I said, you have to understand that everybody's perspective of how to read the markets and how to understand how to trade correctly. You got to first and foremost find a system that's going to work for you. But first, before that, you got to understand structure as a actual whole. Okay. Once you identify that, you're able to put that recipe together of all the ingredients, a strategy, a trading plan, so forth, that's going to help you dial in and find your own personal way of trading. And that's what I share with you is my personal approach, blueprint in my cornerstone of trading to all those that become the elite or the ultra elite supporters. To all those who are part of that, who are either an elite or ultra elite supporter, I thank you for supporting the channel because that's what you're doing. Supporting the channel as a whole. And in return, I'm giving you something back in forms of video content and personally how I actually trade so that you can understand a key strategy that can work for you if you put the time in by back testing, forward testing, and understand the proper way to trade using this strategy. Now, I'll talk more about that. Well, again, let's go ahead and just kind of cover that up. The link is down in the description portion of the video for anyone who wants to join. Click the link. You'll see a few tiers pop up. Choose which tier is going to work best for you. If you want to become an elite supporter where you receive all the trade breakdown videos, these are trades that I post over on our Discord community. The trades, personal trades I take, I go back and I break them down so that you understand the full concept of the strategy and the trades centered around the trades I've actually taken, meaning structure, price action, stop loss placement, profit target areas. There are tons and tons and tons of valuable video content surrounding every trade that I actually take, and I break them down so that you can understand the purpose, the mindset, and the reason why I took those trades. But you also receive the video playlist and a great video surrounding market structure for anyone that's interested. And then if you want to become an Ultra Elite supporter, you receive everything I mentioned plus my live recorded trading session videos for $14.99 a month. The choice is yours if you want to become either an elite and Ultra Elite supporter to understand a personal strategy or a strategy that actually works. But you have to put in the time in to understand it and watch the videos and immerse yourself, because it's going to take time, and you got to put your time into the system or into the game to be able to understand this whole strategy as a whole. Okay. Now, again, we're focusing back here on this particular concept about optimal trading entries. We're looking for those pullbacks to those key areas where there's not only a high probability setup, but as where the market loves to pull back to those significant 61.8 or 76.4% areas. If we do this right here, and I was to knowing that this is a high probability supply zone, I'm gonna mark up the top end of that swing, that lower high there. Okay, all right, and to down here, blow this up a little bit, and you can see if I mark this up based on the direction in which the market is moving, using the retracement tool, this is where. That's the 100% area. The market broke structure there, so that's what we're looking for. We're looking for a movement where the market is taking highs out and breaking structure, coming lower to the downside, looking as if we're shifting from a bullish back to a bearish standpoint. The market comes to the downside. It pulls back to not only the 76.1, but right here is a 76.4% area on this pullback to this high probability zone. Now, this is giving me confluence right here in this area. We have so much confluence back here, okay, because we have a structure break here. We have a retracement back to the zone at the 76.4%. It's a high probability area where we have an imbalance or gap resting back at the supply zone. And if you don't understand what I'm talking about as far as trading gaps or imbalances, please watch some of the video content here on this channel. You can find out videos or information surrounding this actual concept by going to the homepage, typing in imbalances or gaps, and then you'll find some information there surrounding what I'm talking about the imbalance resting back at the zone. Getting back to what I'm saying, high probability setup right here. We also have confluence with a round number as 4,700. So lots and lots of confluence here. The more confluence I'll talk about, the more confluence you have on your side, the better off the trade is going to work back at a particular area. So the market pulls back here. We're at 76.4%. This is our optimal trading entry area or point, OTE, back at this area here. Then all I'll do is just move down to a lower base chart, meaning, say, for example, a 12 range chart, which is, or whatever lower base chart you're taking your trades from, to find opportunity for the market rejects at the zone. Look for an area where there's a supply, an area of supply on the lower base chart to take the trade in the continued direction. The direction is continuing to the downside, retracing in the continued direction to look for the market to take out this low here. Basically, taking out liquidity right below this area of a low. Again, this was another opportunity right here back at this supply zone. As you can see, using the retracement tool, the market breaks structure below that area there, comes back down, breaks more structure here. We pull back to where, again, in this case here, right back here shortly or right above the 61.8%. So somewhere in between this zone is where we're going to look for the opportunity to take a trade on the lower base chart, but a retracement going back to the zone first on the higher base chart here, to look for opportunity to go to the downside. All right, right here, as you can see, the market rejects this area. Lower base chart, we're looking for another supply setup to take the trade in continuation to take out structure back to the downside, meaning grabbing or taking out liquidity back at the downside. Very, very, very valuable tool to use for those that may want to or has use or knowledge of using, say, for example, Fibonacci retracement tools, but we're really focusing in on just the pullbacks to those key areas, because the market loves to, react back at where the orders were placed to continue pushing the market to the downside. The orders were placed to continue shifting the market to the downside. These are areas in which, back at the 61.8, back at the 76.4, where the institutions, the banks are stepping in to continue filling short orders or sell orders to go to the downside. Pull back, push to the downside, pull back. Again, they're packing on more orders to push the market to the downside. So I want to share that with you today. Again, it's a great tool to use for anyone that, has a hard time trying to figure out, okay, where would the market actually stop at? First, figure out where the opportunity areas are within the market, meaning, high probability supply or demand zones based on the structure of the market, looking back to where the market could pull to for a continuation or movement back to the downside, okay? Somewhere between that 61.8, somewhere between that 61.8 and that 76.4% area is a very valid area to look for an opportunity to take a supply set going back to the downside. Or in reverse, if the market was breaking structure back to the upside, pull back to those key areas of demand to look for a retracement back to demand on the higher base chart, somewhere between that 61.8 and 76.4, that OTE area. To be able to look for an opportunity to take the trade on a lower base chart, going back to the upside, meaning back at a demand area on the lower base chart to take the trade going back to the upside and move in the direction to take out liquidity or a, basically a swing high on the lower base chart. Okay, fall in the direction of the higher base chart. So hopefully that makes sense, guys. But this is a great way to be able to make an extra $5,000 a month as side hustle money. Even if you work full time. But for anyone who doesn't and is looking for and say, hey, I want to trade futures for a full time standpoint. And this is you have passion in doing this is a great way to make some good money. All right, but that's all I have to share today, guys. Again, anyone that's interested in becoming an elite or an ultra elite supporter, the link is down in the description portion of the video, or you can simply click the membership tab from the homepage. It'll bring up those tiers, and what you can pick or choose because it's going to show you the price point plus lay out what you receive as far as added value and perks and rewards for each one of the tiers that you see. So make the choice to decide which one you want to join. That's all I have, guys. I know we're into like the holiday weekend this weekend. I wish everyone a very relaxing, joyous time, spending time with family. But if you aren't a current subscriber, please take the time to sub by clicking that subscribe button today. Make sure to turn your post notifications on by clicking the bell as soon as you do so you do not miss any of the uploaded content here on the channel. And last but not least, if you found some value in what I share with you today, like always, please make sure to drop a like by clicking the thumbs up button here right now, as you see down below. And I greatly appreciate it. Everyone have a great rest of your weekend. Take care and goodbye.